family, happy Tuesday. We hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend.
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada, and we are student news anchors at Mast on Monday mornings.
All students, please remember to sign in when we meet each week. We spin the wheel for prizes like Mast swag, gift cards, or purple pesos. School money that you can use at our school store.
Remember to pick up your prizes right after the news broadcast in PTY's office, or you will forfeit your winnings. As we are graduating seniors, Mast is looking for news anchors, videographers, and script editors for 2024-2025 school year.
If you are interested in being a part of the Mast News crew, let either PCY or Miss Brown or Miss Gigi know.
Hey there you! Yeah you! Can you think of someone at Mast that inspires you? Great! Go to bit.ly/Mast Person of the Week and nominate them today. Congratulations to our featured Person of the Week,
who is Mr. Padmore!
Congratulations!
Yeah, Mr. Padmore!
Yeah. Birthday shoutouts!
If you'd like to have your birthday announced, use the bit.ly link bit.ly/Mast Birthday Shoutouts. On May the 28th, we have Jaden N's birthday. On May the 31st, we have Terry J's birthday. Happy birthday! Thank you to NHS for supporting the annual AIDS Walk this last Sunday, and advisors Mr. Singh and Mr. Mazzoli for chaperoning the trip.
Thanks to Mast Made Men in hosting a trip to the Family Enrichment Center on May 22nd, 2024.
Thank you, Dr. Cortez, Miss Gordon, and Miss Warhol for supporting the Mast Robotics team who presented a wonderful presentation at the District Expo last Wednesday.
If you are interested in registering for the Mast Summer Enrichment Program for credits, courses will include swimming, sports, dance, and extra support in E&L, ELA, and math. Complete the bit.ly link bit.ly/Mast Summer Enrichment 2024.
College now has summer courses and they begin on July 8th. Make sure to see Ms. Nayavi in room 218A ASAP to register and have more information.
Hey Mast Scholars, we are in need of volunteers for our upcoming orientation. We would love to have your faces represent Mast and welcome new incoming freshmen. The dates are Wednesday, June 12th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and Saturday, June 15th from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. If you are interested in volunteering, see PTY or Miss Felipe in room 226.
Water Safety Day is Wednesday, May 29th, where a presentation will be given from Mast lifeguards and junior lifeguards.
On Friday, May 31st, Mast will host the Mast Multicultural Fest.
NHS is conducting the annual NHS induction ceremony on June 10th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the auditorium. If you have any questions or concerns, see Mr. Mazzoli in room 208 or Mr. Singh in room 205 for more information.
What's up, y'all? Alright, we got some new news for y'all. Beginning this Tuesday during lunch, we're going to be running a 5v5 basketball tournament. Okay, with the winners of the tournament having the opportunity to play against the staff this Friday during advisory. Bring your best five. We'll play Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll crown a winner, and the winners will get to play against the staff and lose during this upcoming advisory. See you soon.
Mast Made Men is hosting a special event next week, Tuesday, on May 28th at 3:15 after school. It's a financial education event where you can learn how to start your business as well as how to get funding. It's open to all genders, and we want you guys to know you are invited. Join us next week.
We are now in the home stretch of the end of the year and the third and final marking periods, where your grades go on your transcript. There are only 10 school days left. Get your work done well and let's go purple, people!
This is a reminder. Miss Aquino is having Earth Science tutoring sessions every day in room 223 at 7:30 a.m. until the Regents exam. So make sure you get all the extra studying in and support you need.
Remember to attend lunchtime tutoring for extra help in the third and final marking period on Mondays and Wednesdays.
PM School is in session for marking period 3. If you are in PM School, you must attend all sessions and complete all coursework in Edmonton.
Saturday school resumes this Saturday, June 1st, and only 2 sessions are left for those who take the Regents after June 14th, and 1 session left for extra help.
Attention seniors!
A senior meeting will be held on Thursday immediately after school in room 219 at 3:10 p.m. Senior dues payments are past due. And if you have not made a full payment of $280 for senior dues, please see Miss Brown as soon as possible. Remember, you cannot participate in graduation without paying senior dues. Senior prom is on Wednesday, June 5th from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. at the Sandcastle. Invitations will be given out in the incoming week. Graduation is on June 26th at St. John's University at 4:30 p.m.
The update scores came from the week of May 20th, tutoring and last Saturday school. Please remember to put your phones away and lock them up to avoid deductions for your house. Which brings us to our final tally. Drumroll please. Perseverance with 753 points, Equity with 848 points, Love with 1,043 points, and Legacy with 1,079 points. What's wrong with Solomon? He's losing? Shut up. That sucks. And that was Mast on Monday morning. See you next week.